Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I would like to share with you what's inside the Walmart baby box. Let's see what's in store for us in this Walmart baby box. So the first one that we do have is this Enfamil Neuro Pro Infant Formula in one packet. We do have also the Johnson's Cotton Touch Newborn Wash and Shampoo in travel size. Johnson's Head to Toe Wash and Shampoo gently cleanses newborn sensitive skin. They say it has no parabens, phthalates, sulfates, or dyes. Destin in 1 ounce. This one for diaper rash. Johnson's Cotton Touch Newborn Face and Body Lotion. Huggies Wipes, which is 8 pieces. It says for sensitive skin. And this is what you see. This is how you will get your baby box from Walmart. Just visit their babybox.walmart.com. And also, if you already got it, just post it on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, or Pinterest and put the hashtag Walmart Baby Box. These are Johnson's cute one, see? And also, this is a Gerber's manufacturer's coupon, in which you are entitled to 1 free Gerber Pure purified water, 1 gallon or 3-liter bottle, and an Enfamil Neuro Pro leaflets. And also you get a manufacturer's coupon, which says here, save $5 of any 2 Enfamil Neuro Pro Infant 20.7 ounce or Gentle Ease 20 ounce tub. And also I recommend you to join Enfamil Family Beginnings program because I've already tried it and I got 1 Enfamil Neuro Pro and 1 Similac in their original sizes, which you will receive for free. So try this one. I do recommend you. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video.